Looks so good. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tal and today I'm going to be cooking. Today we're going to be making a cake in a cup for 3 minutes, and it's delicious, simple, and easy. Let's start. First, we're going to put 1/2 tablespoon unsalted butter. Now we're going to melt it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 1, 2. I have to mix them all. It's turning into dark chocolate. After the mixing, we're going to be adding 3 tablespoons of milk. Last but not least. Now we're going to be mixing again. The next ingredient is 2 tablespoons of sugar. 2. Now we're going to add 3 tablespoons of flour. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Finally, our last ingredient will be a pinch of salt. Now we will mix all the ingredients we added into the mug. Actually, we're going to be needing to add 2 more tablespoons into the mug to make it more soft and gentle. 1. Second milk. This is what it needs to be looking like at the end. Now we will put the cake mug into the microwave. For 2 minutes, start it. Moment of truth. Let's see the cake. Looks so good. Are you ready to try it? This is my brother, and today we are going to be trying the cake. Is it good?
Yeah.
It's so good and fluffy.
Do you want one?
Try it at home and try it. It's going to be so good.
Yeah.
So the cake we baked was closer to dark chocolate. If you want it to be sweeter and lighter, when we were mixing the ingredients, you can add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Or right now, you can add Nutella or caramel. Comment down below if you copied my recipe and tell me if it's good.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.